What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jayana, and I thank you all for joining me for today's tutorial.
I'm back! I'm back!
So, I'm back. I'm back after a long hiatus, and it has been a break. With everything going on in the world, with everything going on individually, personally, with all that going on, there was a point where I felt like, makeup was not important at all. It was not important. That's not what mattered, so to say, So that's one reason why I wasn't posting. I wasn't posting at all because it just wasn't important at the moment and at the time. But then, I guess you could say things got better, but then again, things got forgotten. Let's get that straight. Like, we all seem to forget about that coronavirus is still a virus, and I mean, as we can see now, the numbers have drastically increased. There was a time when we just totally forgot about it and wasn't really even concerned about it. And I guess that could be a good thing, because who wants to live in fear? But also, you have to be cautious. You have to be very cautious when it comes to things like that. And I mean, it's a virus. I don't know exactly what's going on with it. I just don't know anymore. And it's not like I can turn on the news and understand, because they don't even know themselves. So, with all that going on, I just was out of it for makeup. I was out of it for videos. I was out of it for editing. I was not in the mood, And it just wasn't essential. It wasn't important at all. Another reason was because, personally, I just been going through my own little thing. I graduated in May. I received my degree through the mail. Never thought, never thought that would happen. Now, a lot of things stopped once this coronavirus started. A lot of things stopped. A lot of things have changed. People have to change how they do things now, and it can get a little frustrating, especially being a new graduate searching for a job. Jobs say they're hiring, they claim they're hiring, but then they decide not to move forward with your application. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give in, so to say. I earned my degree. I earned that degree, and I want to work with that degree. I want a job that is based on that degree. And there was a time where, I mean, it was a struggle. It was just most likely was last month. It's still going on now, but it was a struggle, a major struggle, because it gets you down when you're constantly getting rejected. When you know in your power, in your will, that you're eager, you're ready, that you can do this. When you have so much confidence in your abilities, but no one else sees that, it kind of gets draining, and it makes you want to quit. But I haven't quit. I haven't. I just keep praying. I keep the faith, and I keep hope. I trust God, and I'm gonna trust this process. And even though I get all those, even though I've received all those rejection letters and emails, and I get denied for the job, something good did come out of it. I got an interview last week, and I don't quite know how it went. I haven't heard anything. I do plan on contacting them, but that was just the beginning. So regardless of all of what I was going through personally in my life, something good came out of it. It was a beginning. It was an opportunity, and I'll be forever thankful for that opportunity. So I figured that, will something good happen? And that's why I felt like now I need to return back to YouTube. I need to return back to my platform. I need to return back to something that I absolutely love, which is makeup. And I need to share some of it with you all, just to let you know, like, where I've been and what's up, you know. This world is going through something major, and some of us don't know how to handle it. Others are just, nah, whatever. I mean, It all depends on how you deal with it, you know. We're not in isolation. I don't know if we're still quarantined. I don't know what's going on, if we're going to be honest. I have no clue what is actually occurring today in our world. But I pray that things get better. I pray that things get better. I pray that things are better. So, with all that being said, I'm back. I'm back on this channel. I'm back with the looks. And that's just that. I thank you all for still subscribing to my channel, even though I haven't posted in a month. I still was getting subscribers. You know, I started off with like 19 subscribers. We're at 55 subscribers. It may not be a lot to a lot of people, but it's a lot to me. That's a lot of people to me. There's 55 people and others who you may not have subscribed, I don't know, but and viewers that are looking at me, and you're liking my tutorials, and you're liking what I'm putting out there, and I appreciate you. I appreciate all my supporters, current or future. I appreciate you all. So, without further ado, if you would like to see me, I'm moving too much. If you'd like to see how I completed this look, then just keep on watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you're notified of my next upload. I thank you all so much for watching my video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah.